In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in on QuickBooks Online. Whether you're new to the platform or you've been navigating it for years, sometimes just a little change in our view can make a massive difference, especially when dealing with numbers and data. So, let's get started on making your experience a little more user-friendly by adjusting the zoom. Now, let's focus on making your screen a bit easier to work with. If you're using Google Chrome, direct your attention to the top right corner of your browser window. Here, you'll notice a familiar icon featuring 3 vertical dots. This is where we dive into the settings. Go ahead and click on it. This click opens up the settings menu of Chrome, which gives you a variety of options for customizing your browsing experience. This menu is like the control center of your browser, allowing you to alter settings to suit your needs best. In this menu, you're looking for an option marked as Zoom. This is your go-to for modifying what you see on screen. Ready for the magic? You'll find a plus icon within the Zoom options standing by to help you out. Click on the plus icon, and you'll notice that each click enlarges what's on your screen incrementally. It's designed to help make everything more readable while potentially reducing any eye strain. This can be a real lifesaver when you're working with lots of data. Keep clicking until you reach the size that feels comfortable for you. With each click, your QuickBooks display will transform, appearing larger and making navigation as well as reviewing your financial data much easier. And there you have it. You've successfully adjusted the zoom level in QuickBooks Online, ensuring you can comfortably view and manage your financial data. This simple trick can really enhance your workflow, reducing mistakes and making data review so much easier. Remember, the same steps can be easily reversed to go back to your default zoom settings anytime you feel the need to adjust again. Thanks for joining me today. I hope this tutorial has been helpful in improving your QuickBooks Online experience. If you found this tip useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more insights and handy tips to enhance your workflow and productivity. Until next time, take care and happy QuickBooking.